Hey everybody, Justin
and Corbin.
Working here on project. I think Ronnie's asleep. Ronnie, do your thing. Project
69!
There he goes. He's getting old. We're working on the back hub. What do we got?
We got the Forbynbros hub kit.
Yep. The back is going to be so much easier. We're just going to pull the wheel, pull the hub, bolt this new hub on, boom, bada bing.
We're done.
Yeah. Then now I think that's all that would be left is to just bleed the brakes and away we go. Oh my God.
What about the brake lines?
The brake line, I'm working on it.
You're working on it. You say you're working on it, but you're the one who broke it.
Oh my God. We don't have time for this today. Roll the intro and we'll be back here with the fire up.
End cap off, gonna take the axle out, and I'm gonna see if I can fight my way through this drum. Wish me luck.
All right, moving right along, we're gonna pull the bearing and get the old hub off. I gotta bend the tab back, and Corbin's gonna use Dana Hammerly, awesome little tool. You got the Dana's tool coming?
The cap, but yeah. I don't know why that fell off. All right, so we're gonna hit these out real quick and take this off.
What's that called? I'm still calling it the brake drum backing place and a wonderful house for spiders. Let's hit it right here.
All right.
Okay, there's no reason to take the hub end off. We're just going to install the new brake hanger. It's held on with 4 bolts, and it sits like, well, here you go. It'll sit like that, but obviously you're bolting it to the back side. There is new hardware included. We're going to throw that on, bolt this all back up, clean it up, and we'll meet you back here when we're done with that. Okay, next up is the hub. We talked about this in the other video. We had to install the studs for the wheels. So you put it on with?
Orange Loctite.
What's that taste like?
Orange.
You sure?
I'm pretty sure it's orange.
The blue one tastes like what?
Blue raspberry.
Everybody know that. All right, so the bearing races are installed in this. You're gonna wanna do the studs for the hub with?
Orange.
Or red Loctite. We're gonna build these all up and we can slide it on. You did a nice job cleaning off the spindle and job's almost done. Way easier back here.
Definitely. Next, we're gonna put these exhaust studs on this so we can hold the wheel flange on.
Next, we are going to put some silicone seal on the axle flange, put it in, tighten that down. Oh my God. You know, you forgot, you big dummy? I'm talking to both of us. The brake rotor's not on here. You're gonna want that. Oh boy. So we're gonna take this off, put the brake rotor on, then put it back because we were in a big hurry and now we're big dummies. All right, now that we've put the rotor on, got so excited to put that hub on. It looks beautiful, you'll have to admit. It is now time for the rear caliper. It just bolts to the hanger that we installed earlier. Comes with these little Allen bolts in the kit. You're gonna want to actually, they supply you an awesome little Allen wrench if you don't have it, but we're gonna slide that in like so, tighten it down on the back, throw the brake pads in with the pins, and I think we are about done except for the bleeding. So I'll hyperspeed this real quick and I'll get it on. Boom. There you have it. What did we learn? Don't forget the brake rotor.
Yeah, we're gonna want to forget that next time.
super happy. The Forbynbros kit, awesome.
It was really easy to put on. It was not as hard as the front. Like, it was just so easy and so nice.
Yeah, really, it's almost just like doing a bearing job. It is doing a bearing job, except we added the brake rotors to it.
Yeah, easy.
All right, on that, I think we're going to call it the end of the video. Next one, we should be doing the brake line that you broke.
You broke the brake line, and we all know it.
And then we got to bleed the brakes. All right, guys. See you on the next one.